When you open the radio, you should find it in this state. Your power cable should be plugged in. Velcro strap should be opened like this, and all the cables should be underneath this retaining strap here. This is the main T-bar that's going to be connecting to the battery. It has a negative pole and a positive pole marked. On the battery, we also have negative marked here and positive marked here. It's very important to make sure that these meet the corresponding points, negative to negative, positive to positive. The pins on the T-bar are sprung, and the metal contacts are inside the battery. Pull the cable out so that you have enough space. Locate one of the lugs in its position and then push the other one in until they click in place. They should now be hinged and securely in place. Then rest the battery in its slot. It should be all the way to the back of the radio, and you should pay attention to make sure that it is up against the retaining tab on the chassis. Then take the strap, feed it through its loop and make it nice and tight. If the radio doesn't turn on after you've connected the battery, check to make sure the fuse is not blown. Here's the fuse. We can open the top cover and you find a normal automotive style as supplied by Motorola blade fuse, and you can check to make sure that the filament is still intact. Only change it with a 15 or 20 amp fuse. Don't put a higher than 20 amp fuse in the slot. If the radio still won't start, disconnect the battery. Take the charger, plug the charger into the wall, and then connect the charging jack to the battery. Leave it for a few minutes until you see the charging lights on the charger indicate that the battery is charged or charging, and that will reset any internal safety relays that stop the battery from shorting.